Hello everyone, welcome to Gita's Power. Today let us know the fifth verse of second chapter in the Bhagavad Gita. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan shreyo bhoktum vaikshyamapi haloke hatvartakamamstu guruni haiva bhunjiya bhogan rudira pradigdhan. The translation of the shloka is here. Arjuna is saying to Krishna that it is better to live on alms in this world by not slaying these noble elders, because even after killing them, we shall after all enjoy only blood-stained pleasures in the form of wealth and sense enjoyments. Hare Krishna.